Going through the math textbook practice paper SA2 now. Section A, calculators not allowed. Question 1. The sum of 400,000, which is this, 400 times 1,000 is 400,000. 70 hundreds, and 70 hundred is 70 times 100, I have 7,000. 68 10, so 68 times 10 is 680. Add these three numbers up, you have 407680. Question asks you to round off to the nearest thousands. If you look at the nearest thousand is 7,000, so it's either 7,000 or 8,000. The next number here is 6 more than 5, so I add 100. I add 1, so I got 8,000 here. So answer is 408,000. Answer part 4. Question 2. The best estimate for this number 476 and 54 will be this. I round off to the first digit, 500 times 50. I go and rewrite. I have 5 times 100 times 5 times 10. I put the 5 together, 5 by 5 times 1,000. 100 times 10 is 1,000. If I check, answer is 3. 5 plus what? Divide 6 equal 12. Right, this one you have to try one by one. I try 7. 7 divide 6, not possible. I have a remainder, so out. 46. If I have 42, 42 divide 6, I have 7. 7 plus 5, 12. So answer is 2. These 2 also out. 67 divide 6, I have a remainder, so out. This one divide, if you check, you won't get 12 also. 4. A ribbon of length 8/9 meter is cut into 3 pieces. What is the length of one piece? So 3 pieces is 8/9. So 1 pieces will be divided 3. So you take 8/9 divided by 3, you have 8/27 meter. Answer part 2. 5. The sides of a triangle are in the ratio 2 to 3 to 5. If the shortest side is 8, so 8 cm must be 2 units. Ask you to find longer side, which is 5 units. So 2 units is 8, 1 unit will be 4, 5 will be 20. Answer 2. Question 6. 550 divided by 100 will give you. So check answer for this. You divide 100, you shift 2 decimal place in, answer is 5.5. So ask yourself, what times 50 will give you back 5.5? The first one, 0.011 or 0.11. 0.11 will be 11/100. Alright, so I try the second answer here. So 50 times 11/100, I have what? Cancel this, divided by 5, I have 1, 2. So I have 11/2, and this is 5.5. So my answer will be 2. Similarly, you go and work out this time this time this, and 11.1 times 50, you won't get 5.5. Only this one will give you 5.5. Average mark scored by seeing in 2 tests was 76. So can you find total mark for the 2 tests? I will take average times 2, right? Total mark is 152. Which of the following were mark scored by seeing in the 2 tests? So add up the 2 score must give you 152. So I check. Option 1 out. Option 2, you add these 2 score, you have 152. So answer is 2. This one also out. You add up, you won't get 152 as well. Express 5% as a decimal. So 5% is 5/100. So it's 5 divided 100. So you shift 2 decimal place 1, 2. You have 0.05 as your answer. So it's 2. If the figure in the figure not drawn to scale, AOB is a straight line, find angle P. Notice I have 90, 28, 43. So P will be given by 180 subtract 43, subtract 90, subtract 28. Adjacent angle on a straight line. So you will get 19 degrees as your answer. Answer is 3. 10. How many liters are there in 10,000 cm3? Notice that 1 liter is equal to 1,000 cm3. So if I want 10,000, I times 10, right? Times 10, then here I times 10. So 10 liter will give me 10,000 cm3. So answer is 10 liter. 2. A square A, B, C, D and triangle EFG have the same perimeter. Find the area of the triangle EFG. The same perimeter. 5 perimeter of the square is 9 times 4. I make a mistake there. 9 times 6 is wrong. It's 9 times 4. I have 36 cm. Okay, so there is 6 cm. FG. So the perimeter of this must also equal to 36. So FG is equal to 36 subtract 9 subtract 15. 36 subtract 9 I have 27 minus 15 I have answer is 12. So this is 12. So area of triangle is half times base, half times 12 times 9. This is wrong. It's half times base times 9. I have 6 times 9. Answer 54. Answer is 1. Okay, answer is part 1, not 3. Question 12. Bottle A has 7/8 liter of water. Bottle B has 750 ml of water. Note that the unit is not the same. This is liter, this is ml. You need to be consistent later on. Either all change to liter or all change to ml. Find total volume in the two water, in the two bottles. So I convert 7/8 to ml. So I times 1,000. Okay, so I have 7 times 1/8 times 1,000. Alright, if you can remember, 1/8 is the same as 0.125. This number is worthwhile to remember. Many times we will encounter 1/8. It's 0.125 if you work out the long division. So 0.125 times 1,000 is 125, then times 7. Answer is 75. So 7/8 liter is 875 ml plus 750 ml, you will get 1625 ml. So total I convert to liter and ml is 1 liter and 625 ml. Answer is 2. Grade 13. Question 13. In the diagram not drawn to scale, find angle P. This is angle at the point. Angle P is 360 subtract 90 subtract 25. We got 245 degrees. Answer part 3. Question 14. In the figure not drawn to scale, ABC is an equilateral triangle. All equal side. Angle will be 60 degrees. So 60. If this is 33, here must be another 27 because add up must give me back 60. Because equilateral triangle. BCD is an isosceles triangle. Where? This one, BCD, isosceles triangle. If this is 27, then here must also be 27 degrees. Find angle DCE. Find this angle. So I work out step 1, step 2, step 3. Right, then can I work out step 3? Wait. Step 3 will be, if I look at this triangle, this angle plus 27 plus 27 plus 60 plus this angle must give me 180. All angles add up in the triangle is 180 degrees. So this step 3, angle ACD is given by 180 subtract 60, subtract 27, subtract 27, I have 66 degrees. Part 3. So I have 66 at 60. Can I find my final step 4? Can, right? I take 180 subtract 60 subtract 66 degrees. I got 54 degrees as my answer. Part 2. 15. Find the volume of this cuboid. So it's length times breadth times height. Work this out, you have 288 cm cube. Question 16. 300 plus 9 bracket 9 minus 4 times 2000. So follow the order operation. Bracket must do first. So I have 5. Then I have plus times. So I do times next. 5 times 2000 is 10,000. Then I add to 300. I have 10,300. Answer 10,300. Which one of the following masses is closest to 5 kg? Why this one? Again, you got to work out your sum. First one, 5 kilo minus this, you have 4/7 kg. The next one, I take 5 kilo, subtract. Then I check which one give me the smallest one, smallest kilogram. The third one, I have and the last one, I have 5/6 kilogram, subtract 5 kg, I have 5/6 kg. So if you look at the parts, this is more than half a kilo, so this is out. I check which one is more than half a kilo first. This is more than half a kilo out. This is also more than half a kilo because 4 out of 7 is more than half. Then I left with these two items. These two items is less than half, right? Because this is 1 out of 10. This is 2 out of 5. So if I were to rewrite this will be 4/10. Right, because times 2 times 2. Then I compare which one is smaller. So it's this one, right? This is out. So that means this value is closest to 5 kilograms. So answer 4, 9/10. Remember there's a question we did in the revision paper in the math workbook. Okay, same type of question. Question 18. Express the product of 7/12 and 3/14 as a decimal. So you times both. You do cancellation. 7, 14, you divide by 7, 1, divide by 7, 2. 3 and 12 divide by 3, 1, divide by 3, 4. So 1 times 1, 1, 4 times 2, 8. Answer 0.125. Okay, this one you need to work out the long division. You have 0.125. Up to here, still calculator cannot be used. Find the area of the triangle PQR. Recognize the base is 12, height is 7, so half base height. Answer 42. Question 20. 30 to 36 equal what to 6? So find the missing number in the box. So I check. 36 to become 6, I need to divide 6. Divide 6, so here also same divide 6. So 5 is my answer. What's the difference between these two distances? So I take the bigger one. The larger one will be 5.32. I convert this to kilogram. A kilometer, this will be 3.685 kilometer. I subtract, I get 1.635 kilometer. Express 36% as a fraction. So 36% is 36/100. Cancel by, reduce by 2, 18/50. Divide by 2 again, 9/25. Answer 9/25. 23. A, B, C, D, E, F are straight line. Find angle B, O, F. Find this one. Okay. Alright, notice there is a pair of vertically opposite angle. If I can find this angle, this will be same as this. Vertically opposite angle. So angle BOF is the same as 90 plus 30, 120. Question 24. In the trapezium, what is angle X? Recognize there's a pair of parallel lines. I highlight. So this angle 100 plus this whole angle will give me 180 degree. So angle X will be 180 subtract 100 subtract 23 degree. Right? So I have 57 degree. So before I can find, of course I must find 23 degree first. 23 degree is my step 1. I work out by looking at this triangle. So this angle is given by 180 subtract 115 subtract 42, I got 23. And then my part 2 come in. 180 subtract 100 subtract 23. This solid is made up of 1 cm cube. What is the volume? So you count by level. Level 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7. Level 1, 7, right? 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So answer is 12 cm cube. Question 16. You can use your calculator for 16. So for 25, 26 to 35, section B. Let's look at 26. A packet containing fewer than 30 stickers can be shared equally among 3 girls or 6 boys or 9 boys without any leftover. How many stickers are there in the packet? Okay. So you check multiple of 3. Multiple of 3. 3 go. If I have 3 go, 6 go, 9, 12 go, 15, 18, 21, 24. Okay, then you check multiple of 6, multiple of 9, and you check there's a common answer, common number which is 18. So answer is 18 sticker to share. So you can verify 18 divided by 3, no remainder, no leftover. 18 divided by 6, no remainder. If I have 9 children, 18 divided by 9, also no remainder, without any leftover. Answer is 18. A machine can print 180 cards every 5 minutes. How many cards can it print in 12 hours? So convert to minute. 12 hours times 60 are 720 minutes. So 5 minutes can print 180 cards. So 720, how do I get 144? You just take 720 divided by 5. Then I know. I must multiply by 144. So 5 times 144 give me 720. So here same, I times 144, I get 25920 cards. So answer 25920 cards. What must be added to 2 and 1/3 to get 3 and 5 over 8? Express your answer as a decimal correct to 2 decimal place. So I take the bigger number, subtract the smaller number. I got 31 over 24. Press your calculator at 1.29 to 2 decimal place. 29. Linda baked some cookies. She sold 31 over 55 of the cookies in the morning and 15 over 18 of the remainder. So remainder is what is after selling here. So remainder will be 24 over 55. Why? Because remainder is given by 1 subtract. You will have this. So remainder is 24 over 55. If she sold 240 cookies in the afternoon, so this amount, this fraction here is 240. How many cookies did she bake altogether? So I take 15 times 24 over 55 will give me 240. Work this out using your calculator. I have 4 over 11 is 240 cookies. So that means 4 units is 240. I find 11 units is my 1 whole. So 1 unit is 60. So I find 11. I times 11. So total number of cookies is 660. The volume of the water in 3 bottles are in the ratio 16, 18, and 31. If the bottle with the least capacity is 1.44 liter. So that means 16 units is 1.44. Find total amount of water volume of water in the 3 bottles. So that means you must add total number unit here. How many? Will give me the total. So 16 unit is 1.44. You find out 1 unit. Total number of unit, add the 3. You have 65 units. So you find 65 units. You take 0.09 times 65. You got 5.85 liter. So you have 5 liter and 850 ml. Question 31. Pak Abu put durians into 23 baskets. The average mass of the 23 baskets of durian was 10.15 kg. Find the mass of the last basket of durian if the average mass of the first 22 baskets was 9.09. So you find total mass of 22 baskets of durian. So you take average times total number 22. You got 199.98. Then you find the total mass of 23 baskets of durians. So take 23 times average 10.15. Yeah, this. So the last basket will be this, subtract this. And you have 33.47 kilograms. The price of an air ticket from Singapore to Auckland was $1,625. So this is your 100%. George bought a ticket and paid another 14% of tax and charges on its price. How much did he pay for the ticket? So altogether he paid 114%. Alright. You must add the 14%, or if you find 14% of this first, then add on to $1,625. Okay, so I work out 114%. So I work out 1%. 1% will be 1625 divided by 100. 114% times 114. Price for the ticket 1852.50 cents. Figure below is not drawn to scale. Okay, given that M is 2 times N. So M equal to N. Find angle N. So total angle here is 3N, right? 2N plus N, 3N. Angle at a point. So 3N is equal to 360 subtract 90 subtract 90. 180. So 1N divide 3. Divide 3, right? 60. 60 degrees. 36. In the triangle figure, triangle ABC and a triangle DEF are identical isosceles triangle. I indicate isosceles triangle whereby AB equal AC equal DE equal DF. In fact, I should all indicate by a single dash because all the length are equal. Okay, all the length are equal. Find angle Y. So, the two triangles are same. If this is 48, then this one must also be 48. Correct? Alright, so if this is 48, then if I look at this, okay, then I have a pair of isosceles triangles. So this is also Y. So Y will be equal to 180 subtract 48 divided by 2. Answer 66 degrees. Rusnani has 4.48 kg of beads. She uses all the beads to decorate 28 identical coin pouches. What is the mass of the beads used for each coin pouch? So 28 is 4.48 kg. So 1 you divide by 28. Right, so the 8 unit is this. You want 1 unit, divide 28, divide 28, I have 0.16 kilogram.